Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Sweet Treats by me. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So, today's recipe is very simple and easy eggless chocolate cake. So, let's check out the recipe. 1 cup of maida or all purpose flour, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix it well. Unzip all the dry ingredients. So to remove the lumps, so now let's add all our dry wet ingredients. So I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil, flavorless oil. So I have used sunflower oil. You can use refined oil or vegetable oil also. So I have taken 1/4 cup of water plus 2 tablespoons, few drops of vanilla or 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract, whatever you have. Mix all the ingredients well. So you need to see the batter shouldn't be thin or runny or too thick also. It should be semi-thick consistency. So after during making the batter, you need to add 2 more tablespoons of water. So you can see the batter's consistency. So now take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice just to get activate it with baking powder or soda. So it will help the cake to be light and fluffy and spongy. So now I have taken a greased tin, greased it with parchment paper and some oil. You can take any tin that you have. So put all the batter inside the tin and tap it for at least 10 to 12 times just to remove the air bubbles, or you can just run a knife just like how I have done. So take a preheated oven, put the baking tin inside, bake it for at least 180 degrees Celsius. The temperature will vary according to your oven. For at a bake mode means only the bottom coil should be on. So you can see the red mark. For now you have to bake it for at least 20 to 25 minutes. It won't take much long. So our cake is ready. So if you put or insert a toothpick and if it comes out clean, that means your cake is ready. Now loosen up the sides and upturn it and remove the parchment paper. So this process you have to do after you remove the cake from the oven. You have to wait for at least 10 to 12 minutes and then remove the parchment paper, and then you have to wait for at least more half an hour and you're ready to eat. So you can also decorate it, but I didn't had much sources, so I made a very basic cake. Wow, you can see the cake is so spongy, so soft. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.